we have pressure exerted by gases. In last video we get to know pressure exerted by the liquids. In this video we are going to see what is pressure exerted by gases or air. You know what air is? Mixture of gases. Several type of the gases are here in air, and all gases exert pressure. All gases have their mass, and if there is mass, gravity of earth attracts them, and here their weight is force for the object. Read this line: the pressure exerted by air at any point on the earth is called the atmospheric pressure. As I told you before, earth is surrounded by a layer of air or gases that is called atmosphere, and if there is an object, this air column exert a pressure here, exert a force here on this body, and that is called atmospheric pressure. And force exerted by the air on unit area is called the atmospheric pressure. This is the definition in other words, where it is written force exerted by air means weight here exert an impact, and if we measure that impact on unit area, that is called atmospheric pressure. And here this air column is the reason for this atmospheric pressure. Drinking liquids with the help of the hollow straw, this is just because of pressure difference. If this is the straw, and when you suck through this straw a liquid, what happens? There is a pressure difference here, it is atmospheric pressure. And when you suck the air from here, at that instant air pressure decreases inside. And so what? So liquid which is here under atmospheric pressure rises up in this straw, and we can consume this liquid. We have some measuring devices to measure the atmospheric pressure or the pressure of gases, and that is called barometer. There is a measuring device to measure atmospheric pressure that is called barometer, and scientists initially made a device to measure the atmospheric pressure that was simply based on the barometric liquid, and here mercury is used as barometric liquid in that barometer, and that instrument is called barometer. Another mercury barometer is 14th barometer. In these barometers there is a capillary tube of glass in which you can clearly see the raised level of mercury because of this atmospheric pressure. And there is another barometer which is aneroid. Aneroid barometer does not imply mercury or any other barometric liquid, it is direct reading barometer. Atmospheric pressure decreases with altitude. Altitude means height. So as we go up from the earth's surface, atmospheric pressure decreases. And what is the reason behind that? As this was the air column, and if you have covered some distance upward, it means now the length of the air column over you is this, and in the earlier condition it was this. In that condition the air column was longer than this condition. So obviously this time air pressure decreases and atmospheric pressure decreases when you go up or with high altitude. And the pressure exerted by liquids increases with depth. As you go down in ocean or in liquids, as we have discussed too, there is a water column, and this pressure of water column you are bearing this pressure of water column, and therefore as deep as you go the pressure also increases. So the pressure exerted by the liquids increases with depth of the liquid.